So you guys want to clean her ears 3 times a day, every day for the next 3 weeks. You just use this solution that you'll wood comb with, like all the way around the front and the back of her earring, and then just turn it in a circle. Once her 3 weeks are up, you can change her earrings out if you want to. These are 14 karat, so you can leave them in as long as you want. They're not going to mess up or anything. Just leave something in there for the next 6 months to a year so her holes don't close.
Okay.
I'm sorry, cute girl. This is going to be cold.
She closed her eyes.
Did she just sleep or is she sleepy?
I think she's sleeping.
Okay. She's gonna make glitter dots. I know. I'm so hello. I'm sorry, you don't want me touching you. I know. I know, I'm a stranger. She's like, anyway, you can get to start touching.
We ain't even get to this. We ain't even get to the worst part yet.
You want to turn around? What is it?
I was just saying, no, she can better put her head down so I can't touch her. You don't like strangers? That's okay, that's a good thing.
It was at this moment I felt like a bad parent.
1, 2, 3. I'll do from today's look. That's all yours.
Thank you so much.
Just go. I'm
All
sorry,
right.
you look so cute.
She did it to make you cute, baby. Although I don't think we'll do the just got my ears pierced. So,
Well, thank y'all.
thank y'all so much. Y'all have a blessed day.
Okay. It's almost gone. Let's do the apple juice instead. Look at those ears. Oh. Zoom. She has no idea. I wanted to cry so bad. Anything you want. You want a horse? We can get a horse, okay? You want a pony? Whoa, whoa.